Hey friends, if you wish to configure your VPN connection in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It's very easy. So right click on the start button, select settings, go to network and internet on the list on the left hand side, select VPN in the right pane. Now you can click on add a VPN and you can, what do we say? You give the connection name, server address and everything. And I want you to know that Microsoft has an inbuilt VPN as well. But here's what I use. Let's say that I'll open Microsoft's Edge. I'll click on the three dots here. I'll select extensions, then I'll click on manage extensions, and I usually use extensions as VPN. I can click on get extensions on Microsoft Edge and search for free VPN and hit enter. Or you can also use Chrome, it's the same thing. So I can pick up any VPN with a good enough rating. I picked this first one, but people are also using Magic VPN and all. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.